Okay, and lastly, we're going down this ecological zone. Over there is Phoenician Galaxy, I mean, sorry. And to the left is ecological zone. All these trees up here. I think there's an entrance up here in a minute, and I'll show you. But they're doing constant. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Show you. But they're doing constant construction over Galaxy. The property is enormous. It seems like they're always doing construction here. Just always more wings of it. And then up here, straight ahead is Zhuhai. I'll tell you about that in a minute too. But this right here is a little lookout area. So I'm actually on a bike, so I'm gonna turn up the bike. Parisian Casino right there. So all this stuff is all Galaxy, so that's all new things, constant cranes. I've seen it over here, they're just constantly rebuilding. So this one is going to be a new wing. That one's already there. There's already like a lot of stuff already there, like a big beautiful swimming pool in the middle, cranes everywhere. And then this one is ecological zone. So they've kept this here, and there's kind of like little viewpoints that people can come around here and look at it. I almost never see any tourists over here though. I mean, it's kind of hard to get to, but there's all the birds. Talks about this. For some reason, oh, there's a camera right there. So there's a camera, okay. For some reason, I have this feeling that people might urinate over here. I don't know why. Just always kind of felt that way. Because sometimes you see a lot of people walking by here that are like they just got out of work from the construction, you know, and I don't know, sometimes there's a smell there that I notice. So anyways, that's just what I think. So straight ahead is Zhuhai, so that's Cotai Strip right there, all the casinos. And then straight ahead is Zhuhai, so that's kind of like the you have to have a visa to China to get over there, and that might all change in the future. So we'll see. They're talking about it being like a second Macau. So there's massive construction going on. It almost feels like they're going to build a whole other city. There's another one. And you can see those fish over there. So sometimes, you know, when you're in Macau, there's like, those are all kind of lit up. So you kind of feel like, oh yeah, it's part of Macau too. But if you live here, you know that you can't get over there. But yeah, I think they're gonna like do a financial center over there, and maybe they already started it, I don't know, but it's gonna be for the Portuguese-speaking world to change money with China. So basically like kind of a trading spot for currency, kind of like what Hong Kong does with China, but it'll be like the Portuguese, Spanish-speaking, Latin-speaking world, which is, you know, there's a portion of Africa that's Portuguese, Angola, Mozambique, Cape Verde, Sao Tome, Guinea-Bissau, a couple others that, did I mention Angola and Mozambique? I don't know. But anyways, there's like a handful of them. Then there's Brazil, which is a massive chunk of Latin America. And then of course, Spanish speaking is Latin America. So that's basically a massive parts of the world that could be funneling through money in that area. So anyways, so yeah, over that way is Hengqin. All those buildings over there is Hengqin. So we don't even have access to it from the Macau side, but that all could change within the next few years. Officially it goes back to China. 20 years ago is when it became two systems. Let's see if we can get across here. But anyways, I'll talk more about it in some other video, but that's basically the context of this ecological zone behind me. And then it kind of overlooks the Hengqin Island, and then also the Cotai Strip. So the future of this all could be a little bit connected. So we'll find out. I'm gonna try to get across this. We'll find out what'll happen. So, okay. Yep, and straight ahead is Hengqin. I kind of want to get a little bit closer so you can get context of it. So we'll keep navigating this bike as far as we can. Ooh, they don't make it easy for bikes, do they? If you turn it just right, get through there. And now we're on this riding path. And then if you can see that red right there, let's see if I can get over to this side. That says University of Macau. So that's University of Macau. It's on the Hangshin side, and then over on that side is there's a big wall between that university and the rest of all those other tall buildings everywhere. Anyways, that's such another story that I should end it here, because this is supposed to be about that ecological park. That's right across the way. That's between, on the other side of Ecological Park is the golf course. And then of course all the Cotai stuff. Down there is Koloan, which is like a smaller town and beaches and things like that. And then over here is China on that side. And then this is this kind of running path across from the ecological zone, which was the focus of this particular video. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da boca.